In today's video, we're going to look at how you can import your Premiere Pro project into DaVinci Resolve. It's actually really simple if you follow along, so let's jump right in. Here I am inside Premiere Pro, and as you can see, I have a project open in my timeline. Now I want to move this project over to DaVinci Resolve for color grading or any other reason. To do that, I'll go up to File, then Export, and choose Final Cut Pro XML. Once that option is selected, I'll export the file and save it to a folder I can easily find. Now that the export is done, let's open up DaVinci Resolve. From the Project Manager, I'll just open a new blank project. Once I'm inside the project, I'll go to the Edit page, then in the Media pool, I'll right-click, choose Timelines, and select Import XML. Now I'll select my XML file and click Import. At this point, DaVinci Resolve will show you a few import options. If you need to change anything, you can do it here, but in my case, everything looks good, so I'll just hit OK. You might receive a message saying that some clips were not found. In my case, it's showing that one clip is offline. This usually happens because DaVinci Resolve doesn't translate everything from Premiere Pro, especially things like adjustment layers and some lower thirds. If you used adjustment layers or text titles in Premiere Pro, those will often appear as offline clips in Resolve. When Resolve asks if you want to select another folder to search for the files, you can simply choose No, because these aren't actual media files. Now if I look at my timeline, you can see the adjustment layer from my Premiere Pro project showing as offline. I'll just go ahead and delete that since I don't need it anymore, as I'll be doing all of my color grading directly inside DaVinci Resolve. And that's it. Your Premiere Pro project is now successfully imported into DaVinci Resolve and ready for color grading. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.